The Trump administration is halting a 25-year-old rule prohibiting logging on national forest lands in an effort to reduce wildfire risks. The move comes after years of feuding between Trump and California Governor Gavin Newsom over wildfire management. The roadless rule prohibited road building and logging on roughly 59 million acres of national forest land. Some experts argue logging restrictions can have dire consequences, while others say logging worsens climate change. A formal notice to rescind the rule is expected in the coming weeks.